Stop button. Recording. 00 hours, 00 minutes, and 3 seconds. Recording. Stop button. Screen locked.
Hello guys. Good day, and muli po tayong nagbabalik para mag-upload sa ating gameplay na pinamagatang Choice of the Thrill. So, mamaya i-upload ko na rin yung about sa pictures ng CC kasi may part 2 yun. So, i-upload ko na rin yun mamaya. Kasi bukas, pahinga tayo ng upload. So, wala tayong upload bukas. Siguro pati na sa susunod na araw, no? Pahinga lang tayo sa pag-upload. Para wala na tayong wala na tayong anong tawag dito? Kalimutan ko na. So, para wala na tayong i-upload, so, i-upload ko na rin yung part 2 about sa pictures ng CC. So, kung narinig nyo kahapon, paano siya mahanap, no? So, dahil hindi para sa CC ang video na to, pero i-upload ko na rin yun mamaya, ang kanyang part 2 at huling bahagi. So, ngayon, dito muna tayo sa ating Choice of the Thrill. So, sa nakaraan nating upload dito, puntahan na lang natin yung apps o yung games.
So 1 a.m. Home button. Home screen. TG. Diff. Quick. File manage. Drive. Clock.
Tingnan lang.
TG 75. Default. Chrome. Choices of the trail. Choices of the trail.
Okay.
Choices of the trail. Daily reward. You get 165. Default. Daily reward. Get 1 coin. Each new day you open the game you randomly get either 1 coin or 1 luck. K button. OK button. Equal.
So, sa nakaraan, hindi tayo nagtuloy. So, bigla siya nang balik sa simula, no? So, ngayon naman, sa dati kasi yung Wait a Bit, yung pinili natin, no? Ngayon, try natin tong Go Straight Home. So, siguro ito na yung final na
Equal by Michelle Kudelka.
Teka lang.
More options button.
Siguro ito na yung final na stories, yung tuloy-tuloy na. So, base sa narinig nyo ngayon, so ngayon ko lang ito na-discover. So, pwede ka palang magkaroon ng 1 coin kada day o kada araw na pag-open mo dito. Sayang, hindi ko ito na-open araw-araw. So, may pang-unlock na sana tayo ng volume. Kasi dito, may volume to, no? Volume 3, volume 4. So, parang part 1, book 2, book 3, parang ganun. So, kasi nakalagay dito, volume lang, no? Pero parang na rin tong book 2, book 3. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba tong story to. So, hindi naman to delikado dahil hindi naman yun kagaya ng ibang mga
Go back. More options button.
Hindi naman ito kagaya ng mga detective choice na life. So, kapag nagkamali ka lang ng answer, so maaaring maubos lahat yung life mo. So, mangyari, mabalik ka o bigla kang makabalik doon sa choice kung saan ka nagkamali. So, kung wala ka na talagang pagpipilian at
Go back.
pareho lang yung mga choice, mamamatay, so balik ka talaga sa simula, yung hindi ka na dapat magkamali para hindi magkaroon ng para hindi mawala yung ibang life mo. So dito hindi naman to delikado at madali lang tong laruin. So ngayon simulan na natin para madali lang tayo matapos. Okay.
Options but Morale. The prequel by Michelle Kudelka. The moment my body slams into Nathaniel Drake's and I know we're going to land hard, I briefly consider a different action. Of course, by then it's too late. And within a second or two I'm lying on top of him and we're both covered in mud. I've knocked the wind out of him, but I'm not about to let him get up now. Not without an apology. Quotation mark. Say you're sorry, I scream into his red, mud-splattered face. By now, everyone in our little one-room class has gathered around us, almost half and half boys and girls, each rooting for their respective side. I know I have about 30 seconds before Ms. Birch hears the commotion and comes and separates us. Quotation mark. I won't. He spits back at me. You deserved it. I grab a fistful of mud and hold it threateningly over his face. He opens his mouth in shock and then quickly clenches his lips closed. Understanding my intention. He refuses, shaking his head. Teachers come in. Meredith hisses from directly over my shoulder. Best let him go, Beth. Not until he's sorry, I mutter, leaning closer, digging my left elbow into Nathaniel's chest and slowly opening my right, wet, mud-filled hand over his face. It takes 2 droplets onto his cheek before he squirms and risks opening his mouth. I'm sorry, he cries. And you won't do it again, I say, raising an eyebrow. Quotation mark. I swear it, he says, his eyes wide. Meredith puts her hand on my arm and helps me get up. Instead of dropping the mud into the ground next to me, I throw a handful at Nathaniel's chest. It lands with a satisfying plop just as Ms. Birch rounds the corner. Bethesda. I turn and give a sheepish look, knowing I must look an absolute fright with mud splattered all over my front half and one of my braids dripping with ink down the back of my school dress. She blinks for a second and then straightens, remembering the rest of her students standing around us. Get in the schoolhouse, she commands. I follow Meredith with a glare at Nath. Annual, but Miss Birch won't let me go that easily. No, I'm not through with you, she tells me, holding her hand up. But what about Nathan M-? Quotation mark. I saw you getting up while Nathaniel was on the ground. I saw you throw mud at him. I didn't see Nathaniel do anything. I held up my braid. He put my hair in the inkwell. She stares at me. Then I will deal with him accordingly. That doesn't give you a right to act so, heathen-like. She purses her lips. Quotation mark. A lady never behaves in such a way, she begins, and I know I'm in for a lecture. I've heard before. I look down at my feet, knowing she'll take it as repentant, even though my face is twisted in annoyance underneath my muddy mussed-up hair. Last week, Nathaniel pushed William into the ground over a game of sticks and stones, and both of them only got a slap on the wrist. It definitely wasn't fair. When I drop my braid back, and I hear the wet slap against my dress and feel the wet spot from the ink, I gnash my teeth together. Nathaniel can go home and wash his muddy shirt and trousers, and tomorrow they will be as though they were just sewn. My dress, however, I know Ma will make me scrub, and I'll never get rid of that ink stain. Miss Birch has the nerve to lecture me on ladylike behavior. When Nathaniel has ruined my church dress, she drones on about appropriate responses to Nathaniel's behavior, but she's losing her mind if she thinks ignoring him was going to be the answer, and besides, everyone knows she's sweet on his father, so it doesn't matter what I did. She'd still side with him M-. She stops abruptly and I realize I said that last part out loud. Is that so, Bethesda? She asks me, expression darkening. Quotation mark. I believe we've said all we need to say on this matter, and you should be on your way home. But school isn't over yet, I protest. I know showing up at home before I'm expected won't bode well for me. We haven't gone through the arithmetic assignment. She crosses her arms off her chest. Arithmetic is the least of your worries, Miss Wilkinson. It seems you do much better with lessons on controlling your tongue. With that, she turns and disappears into the schoolhouse. I stand in the schoolyard for a minute, wondering if I should head straight home or go down to the creek and wait until the right amount of time has passed. Right now, PA would be coming in from the fields for his lunch, and Ma would be preparing her jams or helping Eliza with her own studies. My early arrival would not go unnoticed, and I would definitely need to explain myself. However, if I waited around somewhere and came home at the usual time, I could probably put this whole event behind me. What should I do?
Okay. So, sana lang, no? Dito tayo na-stop. Saan palay tayo?
Go straight home. Button.
Okay.
Wait a bit. Button. Prequel.
So, kagaya ng dati, dito tayo nagsimula, no? Sa first upload natin dito sa laro na to, no? So, wait a bit. So, hindi ko napansin yung Go Street Home. So, dito tayo sa Go Street Home.
Wait a bit, but go straight home. Button.
Go state. Go straight home tayo, no?
Voices of the trail.
Okay.
Equal.
So, swipe right tayo para mabasa yung susunod na sentence.
Library.
Okay.
Back. More options. Morale. 3 Moxie. 0. Minor voice tells me I should. Morale. Minor voice tells me I should go straight home, tell Ma and PA everything that's happened, and accept whatever punishment they feel necessary. Of course, I could tell them right away about Ms. Birch's unfairness, and they wouldn't be any the wiser. I turn in the direction of their farm, but I can't seem to bring myself to take that first step. I have a sneaking suspicion that they won't believe me, and I decide I might be better off taking a nice dip in the creek. It might help the ink out of my hair, at least, and the cool water will be welcome.
Okay.
Continue button. Continue button.
Continue. So siguro yung iba dito, dahil sa haba ng sentence, ang nilagay na lang nila continue para mag-continue mong mabasa yung mga sentence. So ika lang.
Equal. Live prequel.
So malaking advantage tong malaking advance malaking advance tong Jisyo dahil ang basa, kung magbasa ka hindi nang basa, kung magbasa ka ng mga ganitong kwento, so hindi siya mag screen off. So sa talkback, napansin ko lang hindi ko naman sinabi dito na hindi maganda yung talkback, pero napansin ko lang kapag nagbasa ka ng mga ganitong mga
library,
halimbawa mga kwento o nagbabrowse tapos mahaba yung binasa mong sentence, so bigla siyang mag screen off. So dito sa games, dito sa Jisyo, so hindi siya nag screen off. So iwan ko na lang sa ibang mga website yung mga mahaba o yung mahaba yung mga sentence, kung kaya pa ba niyang mag screen on. So dahil games lang naman to, siguro isa to sa mga nilagay dito na pictures. So continue tayo, no?
Equal. Continue button.
Okay.
Equal. Live. Go back. More options button. Morale. 3 Mox. It's a 15-minute walk from the schoolhouse to the creek. The ground is muddy no matter where I walk, and I find it satisfying to push my boots down with each step, letting the ground squelch and slurp around me. Eventually, I reach the brush and then the trees around the creek. Beads of sweat formed along my hairline. I don't bother to undo my braids, but I slip my dress off and inspect the ink stain on the back. There is no way I can hide this, and I know Ma will be upset that I've ruined my best dress. Well, that Nathaniel ruined it, I remind myself. I didn't do anything, no matter what Ms. Birch thinks. I dipped the stained fabric into the creek, but it's clear that the ink has set and will not budge. Sighing, I lay it on a rock so it'll dry, and slide into the cool water myself. I don't go very deep, just enough that I can sit on the bottom and the water touches my neck. My braids drift on the water surface around me, and I move my fingers along the black strands at the tips. It isn't perfect, but some of the ink does come off onto my hands. I close my eyes and let the sun warm my face. When it's dipped a bit further into the sky, I know it's the right time to head home. My dress is dry, but naturally, my undergarments require a bit more time. I stay along the creek in the forest line, knowing the likelihood of running into anyone as they head home from school is slim. And I'm right, I don't run into anyone on their way home from school. I do, however, hear voices ahead after a few minutes, and as they head closer to me, I duck behind a bush and hold my dress tightly to my chest, careful not to draw any attention. The voices continue, and I realize I recognize one of them. I resist the urge to peek over the shrubs when my sister Eliza's soft cadence drifts my way. I don't know the second voice, but I do know it's a man, and that alone is enough to spark my curiosity. My family, she's saying. I don't know if it's the right time or lies. The mysterious man interjects, and my ears flash hot at the informal name he gives her, the name I give her. If you don't feel like it's the right time, I'll wait. I furrow my brow. Quotation mark. But I don't think you should let others determine your time to marry. My stomach flips. Eliza, Mary, who is this man? I bite my lip to keep from bouncing to my feet and revealing myself, in more ways than one, I think, remembering my soaked undergarments and my dress pressed against my body. Eliza keeps ho-humming and the man argues with her. It doesn't sound like when I argue with Nathaniel, though, but rather gentle, like Ma and PA disagreeing about the future and murmurs in their bed underneath the loft I share with my sister. There's a warmth to it that I don't like. Suddenly, I realize it's gotten quiet, as I've been muttering in my own head, and now I can't resist peeking out.
Okay, siguro continue din to, no? So, try natin swipe.
Continue button.
Okay, continue pa rin, no? Okay.
Equal. Library. Go back. More options button.
So, may ano din, no? Ulitin ko lang, may games din sila dati na audio wizard choice na audio talaga yung nang babasa. So parang may application din sila na kagaya nito, no? RPG lang, so yung titiis lang yung nang babasa. Pero sa audio wizard na audio, hindi ako sure kung pareho ba sila ng haba sa audio mismo. Kasi yung apps na nakita ko,
RAL 3 Moxie 0.
Kasi yung apps na nakita ko about sa audio wizard, may volume 2, volume 3. So parang siguro hindi mahaba yung sa audio. So, try lang natin sa audio sa susunod. So, sa susunod na, no? Dahil unahin muna natin tong games na to. So, try natin next time yung audio, hindi audio. Wizard choice ba yun kung hindi ko nagkakamali? Na hindi audio.
More options button.
So, try natin yung hindi audio. Tapos, siguro i-combine na din natin, no? Siguro mas mahaba yung hindi audio. Kasi sa audio, may hanggang 2 lang, no? Audio wizard choice to. Audio wizard choice to lang yung sa audio. So, dito sa nakita kong RPG games, parang ganito. Natitiis lang yung nagbabasa. May ano pa, volume 3, volume 4. Siguro 20 plus yung volume niya kung hindi ko nakakamali. Mahaba siya, no? So 20 plus.
RAL 3 Moxie 0.
So tuloy na natin.
Immediately regret. Morale. I immediately regret it. I don't believe what I'm seeing, but there it is, my sister, locked in a romantic embrace with that older man. I've seen him at church some Sundays, and once in the general store. I had no idea Eliza was interested in him or anyone. Yet, here she is kissing him. My whole body flushes hot, and I duck back down behind the bushes. Finally, they say goodbye, and I frown at the dreaminess in Eliza's voice. She turns toward town, and I give her a few minutes head start before making any noise in the brush. I don't care that my underclothes are still wet, and I wrench my dress over my head. My plan was to get home when I normally would, but thanks to this new development, I'll be getting home about half an hour later than if I'd been in school all day. Ma will be irritated if I'm behind on my chores. I break into a run, so by the time I come over the hill with our cabin on the horizon, sweat is dripping down the side of my face and my dress is wet where it's tightest against my underclothes. Bean sprout, where's the fire? I skid to a stop and turn toward the voice. PA is sidling toward me, scythe over his arm, a bemused look on his face. Inside, with Ma, if she notices how late I am, I say with a sigh. He smirks. What kept you? I consider telling him the truth and at least a half-truth. I was at the creek, and I lost track of time and he wasn't as strict as Ma, and I know he wouldn't ask me 1,000 questions. Instead, I decide to come up with something better, just in case he was tempted to tell Ma on me. I stayed after school to help Ms. Birch clean up, I say, pushing the wet hair off my forehead. He raises an eyebrow and smirks. Quotation mark. Did you fall into a pail of water? He gestures to the damp patches on my dress where the undergarments have soaked through. I ran all the way home when I realized how delayed I was. I offer. I know he can tell the wetness on my dress is more than sweat, but he drops it with a grin. I don't know if he would mind my dip in the creek, but I know I could expect an earful if Ma found out even if I hadn't been late. You shouldn't be stripping down to your undergarments in public, Beth. You're not a child anymore, she'd scold. You better get inside then. I know she expects you to get the butter going, PA says, nodding toward the cabin. Great, I think. I hate better day. I'm in no mood to sit on the porch on this muggy hot day and churn until my arms are numb. I push past PA, forgetting about the ink on my back. Beth, he starts, and I can hear the amusement in his voice. I stop and turn around. Quotation mark. What happened to your dress? I don't bother lying. It's purely Nathaniel's fault that I'm in this situation. Nathaniel draped my braid into his inkwell, I say, raising my chin. Quotation mark. Why did he do that? He asks, sighing. It's as if he thinks the boy needed a reason to do it. As if I goaded him. Why else? He hates me and wanted to ruin my day. PA opens his mouth but promptly closes it, looking off to the cabin. Quotation mark. I'm going to leave this one up to Ma, though I'm not going to tell her. He walks off with a pointed look, and I'm grateful he won't rat me out. I know I won't be lucky enough to get the same reaction from her. I wonder if I can change into my other dress without her seeing, though climbing the ladder to my loft won't be easy.
So continue ulit, no? Pero dito muna tayo mag-stop sa
Overview button.
Sa laro, no?
Overview button. Recent quick step. Click. 2 choices of the trail. Recorder. Recording. 00 hours, 21 minutes, and 52 seconds. Recording.
So dito muna tayo mag-stop kasi medyo mahaba na yung ating
Green locked.
medyo mahaba na yung ating record. So may hinihintay sa akong laro, no? So bago tayo maputol, gusto ko na rin sabihin na may labangan sa akong laro. So yung games na yun yung may gawa ng Untold Eldream Untold. So kung naalala niyo, nagsalita ako tungkol sa Eldream ba yun? Basta ganun, Eldream Untold. At yung isa, nakalimutan ko na, basta yung isa, yung karakter mo sundalo yata, no? So may bago sana silang laro, yung nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan, basta may bago silang laro na RPG din, no? Sa ulitin ko lang, sila may gawa ng Untold o Eldream Untold. At yung isa, nakalimutan ko na kung anong pangalan. So may bago sana silang laro, kaso may bayad. So last time inabangan ko talaga siya kasi register, tapos may nakalagay na coming soon. So akala ko dati hindi siya bayad, pero ngayon tsiniko, may bayad na, no? So sayang yung laro. So sayang yung inubangan kong laro. So sana lang, no? 2025 may bago na namang lalabas na laro na pang blind. So sana lang sa 2025. So maliban sa Ranger Legend, mga ganon, so sana ay sa 2025 may bagong laro ulit na lalabas, yung walang mga bayad na pang blind. So para may ma-upload tayo dito, no? So para may bago tayong uploads ng game. So yun lang siguro, guys. Gusto ko na rin sabihin sa inyo na may bago tayong extra gaming content na pwedeng i-upload dito, yung Pans Game Zone. So hanapin ko muna siya sa Play Store kung hindi siya nawala. So kung nawala siya sa Play Store, so pwede naman natin siyang i-download sa mga website na na-upload ng APK na laro. So yung Pans Game Zone. So kunting feedback lang o kunting informasyon. Ang games na yan ay puro sugal. Kung gusto mong manugal o kung mahilig ka sa casino, blackjack, ay walang casino, so para siyang casino game kasi may blackjack, mga slot machine, yung para sa parang audio game hub. So may sa audio game hub, di ba last updated may siya, may blackjack at yung isa pa yung millionaire ba yun? So nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. So hindi ko na naabutan yung games na yun, yung about sa millionaire. So last time ang naabutan ko lang sa, check muna natin yung TTS.
6:00 hours 26 minutes and 16 seconds. Screen locked.
Okay. So last time naabutan ko, mahirap ka nang makakuha ng panalo sa blackjack o yung slot machine. So iba rin yung slot machine, iba rin yung blackjack. So yung blackjack, yung may hit, yung may stand, parang ganon. So parang din yun sa Pans Game Zone. So siring-siring lang. Last time, yung cellphone ko ay yung Samsung, na bankrupt namin yung bangko o yung bank ng Pans Game Zone. So yung pira nila lahat, kasi pwede kang mangdaya. So nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung laro, basta shooting. So pwede kang mangdaya. So ang mangyari kapag yung dealer lamang na yung score niya, so pwede namin i-back. Tapos kapag kami na yung lamang, ituloy naman yung laro para kami pa rin yung panalo. So pwede kang makapandaya doon pwede kang mangdaya sa Pans Game Zone. So dahil sa ginawa namin pang dadaya sa laro, so nalaman namin na yung pira lahat sa Pans Game Zone 1 million lang. So kapag umabot ka ng 1 million, automatic bankrupt na yung bangko. So nakalimutan ko na yung words, basta 1 million lang. Sasabihin ka ng system o yung ng game, the bank is bankrupt, siguro yun, o parang ganon, the bank is bankrupt, kasi 1 million lang yung pera lahat, no? So pwede ka mangdaya sa games sa Pans Game Zone, kasi yung kapital mo kapag pumasok ka doon, 1K lang yung kapital mo. So sa audio game hub mas maliit, pero siguro 100 lang yung kapital mo kapag nakapaglaro ka ng slot machine. So kung sa old version tayo nakabase, slot machine lang yung laro. Pero kung sa updates naman, yung pinakabago, may mga blackjack na, tapos may ano ba yung isa, basta maraming laro about sa sugal. Pero sa Pans Game Zone, malaki yung kapital mo, 1K, pero pwede mo silang i-bankrupt. Kasi 1 million lang yung pira nila sa bangko, sa games. So pwede mo silang mabankrupt. So marami pa tayong marami pang pictures yung Pans Game Zone. So pwede ka mag-order ng inumin, mga ganon, mga basta inumin, kasi may bar siya, may bar. So pwede ka rin magbenta ng sasakyan, mga motor, mga basta nakalimutan ko na, basta marami. So pwede ka magbenta. So pwede mo ring bawiin yung bininta mo na, halimbawa sasakyan. So pwede mo namang ibenta yon kasi hindi mo naman yan magagamit sa laro. So para lang talaga yan sa sugal. Yung mga ano mo, sasakyan, mga relo, mga cellphone, pwede ko nagkakamali. So ano pa ba? So pwede ka rin mag-CR sa Fans Game Zone. So pwede ka pumunta sa comfort room ba yun? Sa comfort room. Siguro kung hindi ko nakakamali, kapag nakalimang order ka na, halimbawa whiskey yung in-order mo, sabi niya ano daw, warning, nakalimutan ko na yung sentence, basta kailangan mo daw pumunta sa sa comfort room para umihi. So magaling din yung laro. So baka next week, so try natin yan i-upload dito. Try natin siyang laruin. So marami ka pang pwedeng laruin dito, no? Sa Fans Game Zone. So gawin natin yung extra gaming content para marami din tayong uploads na extra gaming content. So kasali na din yung Audio Game Hub na laro dahil may ano naman siya, slot machine. So pwede kang makapagparami ng pira. So ang gamitin natin sa Audio Game Hub siguro yung old version kasi hindi na tayo basta-basta makapag-download ng latest. So check muna natin yung recording.
620241220055929 00 hours 32 minutes and 7 recording.
Okay.
Green locked.
So ganun yun, no? So next time o sa susunod, try lang natin na ma-upload yung Fans Game Zone. Pero mamaya matapos ko ma-upload tong Choice of the Thrill, so mamaya baka i-upload ko na din yung huling bahagi sa pictures ng CC. So kung paano nyo ba siya mahanap. So marami pa kayong pwedeng mahanap sa CC. Hindi lang yung mga works, mga education, marami pa, no? Maraming parang playlist doon. So nung update siya kahapon, so hindi ko alam kung ano ba ang bagong pictures nila na nilagay. So in-update naman nila kahapon. Unang update sa kahapon, no? So in-update ko na lang din para kung may bago silang pictures, pwede tayong makagamit. So gano'n lang yung pag hanap ng mga pictures sa CC. So doon sa mga parang playlist, so pwede pa kayong mag-swipe. Marami din yan. May companion, basta kayo lang bahalang mag-explore sa CC mismo. So yun lang siguro guys, no? Mamaya try ko lang na ma-upload yung CC na pictures, yung huling bahagi, para next week siguro, kung try ko lang, try natin i-upload yung Fans Game Zone na bago nating extra gaming content para marami kayong pwedeng mapakinggan. So mapakinggan nyo din kung paano ako mangdaya sa laro. So yun lang, and magandang araw dito sa channel.
6:00 hours 34 minutes. Record. Stop button.